Hello programmers, welcome to the video. My name is Mayank, a Google certified associate Android developer, and today we will talk about product flavors in Android. So first of all, what is product flavor? Product flavor is a very powerful feature available in Android Gradle plugin that allows us to manage different flavors of an application. Let's dive into it more deeply. For example, you want to publish your app into two sections. First one is free and second one is paid. The free app will contain only 2 options out of 5, and the paid app will contain all 5 options for the users. Except this, all other functionalities are same. Now, what I really mean by functionalities are same, I mean the Java classes for both apps are same, all drawables, manifest, strings, styles, diamonds, almost everything is equal. And we only want to make different UIs. Now, what should I do to achieve this? Simply, the first approach comes into mind is to keep 2 different projects for each app. But will this be right? Filling the hard drive with doubling the size of project and doing the changes in both projects repeatedly will be error prone. So here flavor comes into the picture. Using flavor, you can make multiple apps by just keeping one project. It doesn't only keep code tidy, it also makes your work easier and faster. Are you thinking how? Before moving, I think you should hit that bell icon. It's just a tap or a click away, and it ensures that you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get to know more about it. I'm taking a demo project which will demonstrate that how to apply product flavor in your live project. First of all, switch to project view if needed, and then go to app, src, main, resource and layout. Here you can see I have already made these 5 options using text view, and these options are only for paid app. Above 3 will be available in free app, and the rest option 4 and 5 will be introduced in paid app. So to set up flavor in your project, go to build.gradle file, which is an app folder, and set the value for flavor dimensions as default, double quotes default, yeah right. Type product flavors and then curly brackets. Yes, inside it we can make as many sections we want. So here we want 2 sections. First is free and second is paid. To make sections, let's type the name of FREE and then curly brackets. This is the single section, and let's make PAID another section which is paid, right? Now we need to do some stuffs with folder in src. Clicking right on src folder, go to new and then directory, enter the exact same name which we have given into project flavor inside build.gradle file. I am giving free and then clicking on OK. Make another folder for another section named paid, name PAID and OK. Now we have 2 more folder along with main. So after this, just copy the layout file which is currently present in main folder and paste into the free folder after giving the same pre-structure of the main folder. I know it's a little bit confusing, but don't worry. Just make the resource folder and then layout and paste here inside it. So we have the same exact tree structure similar to main. Now do the same with the paid folder. Now we have same layout into both folders. In free we only want 3 options, so that's why I'm deleting option 4 and 5. That is it. Go to build variant, you will find it into left bottom corner, and as you can see we have 4 options to build our app. Flavor section also has debug and release variant separately. we have free app with debug and release, same paid app with debug and release. So let's run free app with debug one. Click on play, select the emulator, and then waiting for the result. Now here is the result. We have only 3 options as expected. Switching to paid debug, and also let the Gradle sync complete after switching between variants. After syncing, run the app and okay, and waiting for the result. This one also. Yeah, so here we are. See the result. We have all 5 options here. So that's it. By doing this, you can make your flavor of your project, or I can say your app. Now I know what are you thinking. You are concerned about the sections we have made in build.gradle file, but don't worry, I'm telling you how to use them and what is the purpose of those sections. For example, you have different REST APIs for free and paid app. You can define it here and use them in your project. Just write the build config field, give the first parameter string because we are going to give string type, and in second parameter define the key name base URL, and in third parameter write the base URL of your REST API for free app, and don't forget to add slash and double quotes. That's it. Now copy and paste the same thing for paid app. Just replace the base URL according to it, and then let me show you how to use it. You can also make more fields according to your requirement of your app. Switching to the main activity and making a demo function which calls the REST API. Call service is the name of function, and making the parameter for base URL, and yep, here will be the code to call the service. That's it. And don't worry about the syntax. fun I have used here. Actually this setup is for Kotlin. I'm using Kotlin from previous 2 or 3 months, and it is very nice, I can say. You can also make this function in Java, so there is no issues. I'm using Kotlin, so that's why I make in this. And yeah, I will also cover the Kotlin course in our future videos, because I'm telling you Kotlin is the future, and Android P already introduced in preview versions with the ability to run Kotlin code faster. Kotlin is also important for coding purpose because it makes code very clean and understandable, and it also increases your productivity. It can done your 10 minutes work in just 1 minute. Yeah, less code, more results. Let's move to our current topic. So now we use call service and pass the first parameter build config enter dot base URL. This base URL is exactly the same name which I have given in the build.gradle file. So that's it. Now if you run your app for the free debug, it will use the URL from the free app, and if you run for the paid app, it will pick up the base URL you have given for the paid app. This one is so easy, and you will never face any issues with this. So yes, of course, this is very nice. And one more thing which is very important to upload your both apps to Google Play, you can also give different packages name for both apps. To do this, just copy the application ID from default config and paste into free and paid section. Now change the application ID according to you. I'm appending .free in application ID for free app and .paid for paid app. By doing this, you will be able to upload both apps on Google Play, because the Google Play doesn't allow to upload apps with same package name. Thanks for watching. Hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.